Hi there, this is Christy, and I wanted to tell you about something really fun. I have a pinning club, and every month, if you're in the club, you get these Canva templates, and they're videos, they're animated videos. You can just hit it and animate it any way you like this. You can animate different elements, you can make them scrapbook. You can make them breathe, neon, and you can do it per element. You can sign up for a free canva.com account, and you can go in and change any of these and just click the free right there. And then you can undo it if you don't like it. You can have a live bee. I mean, these are adorable, right? Okay. Now, it comes with every month. I go into Canva and I create 10 new ones, and you can use these. You can download them as a video or a GIF, however you want to say it. And then you can just upload it to your Pinterest account, and you can literally advertise anything that you're selling, especially printables and planners, because people who like printables and planners like graphics, and they like Canva. Okay. And inside the members area, there's this is April 2025 when I'm recording this. I started doing this, loading up this site in June 2022. So in June, let's see, this is April. So April, May, June, it'll be 3 years worth of every month you get a printable or a planner, 5, and then you get 10 of the Canva animated video pins. Okay. So, I mean, they're just super fun. And really, this is so dirt cheap because I also give you, you get 60 mock-ups for Etsy. So if we click on that, you can see it loads up in Canva, and then you just, slide in your images, and you can literally set up shop overnight because you've got 3 years, almost 3 years worth of products. You've got the listing templates, and you've got the video pins to go out into Pinterest and just load them up every day. I mean, every month. You could literally do a pin a day. You just go in and go into Canva and just change those elements around. Just add a flower. I mean, these are amazing. Canva is amazing. And all you need is a canva.com free account, and you need my pinning club. You may not know it, but you do. You need this pinning club, okay? Because you get 5 printables a month and planners. It's a mix of planners and printables. And then you get these adorable 10 video pins every month. They're different every month. These 2 right here, this one and this one, are my favorite. I mean, they're so cute. I mean, so cute, right? So if you don't have time, but you want to market on Pinterest, get these. Just click the link below this video and you'll see a link to the pinning club. Some people stay for months. And I mean, why wouldn't you? You've got all the work done for you. You've got something to sell, and then you've got the promotion marketing materials to sell it. You can also go in here and you can resize these for Instagram. Yeah, you can resize them for Instagram, load them up to Instagram every night. And you can set up you can go in and set up an Etsy shop. You can go in and have a Shopify store. I have both. You can do a PayHip store. You can do a Stan store. And the biggest block that all of us have is just doing it. You have to start somewhere. And it's so helpful to have the materials already done for you. Don't you agree? I hope you're going. Because I think so. I really believe this would be helpful to you. I mean, okay, this is just 1 month, and in 2 months, there will be 3 years of these. 3 years. 3 years worth. Okay, so let's go into And you also get, this is the pinning club inside. It's a peek inside. You also get training. I mean, literally it could be like $200, $300 for just the training, because I do training videos because I'm a former teacher, how to find more cute mock-ups. Where do I find those mock-ups? Where do I get the cute images? Yeah, if you're a member, you can be an affiliate and promote this yourself and get recurring monthly income potentially. But all of these, going back to, let's just pick one, August 2022. Let's just preview it. Okay, I don't know where it went. Here we go. Let's do this one. Click on that. Okay, these are the pins. And see, aren't these cute? These are fall. And then you have fall printables that go with it. Look at these. Aren't these adorable? Look at that. And you get 5 new ones every month. Okay, so go to the link below. Get after it. Start your shop. Fill it up. Start promoting. That's your plan. All right. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, just, email me. My email will be below this video too. God bless you. Bye now.